A tiny subatomic particle called muons is actually breaking the laws of standard model of particles and upending our understanding of the universe. Muons, which are also called the cousins of electrons, are actually unstable subatomic particles with a mean lifetime of around 2.2 microseconds, and which are heavier, around 200 times heavier than the electrons. Scientists at Fermilab used a giant electromagnet in empty space because even in perfect vacuum, pair of particles like proton and antiproton or an electron and anti-electron materialize from the void only to disappear back into oblivion an instant later. By shooting volleys of muons through this electromagnet, scientists plan to study these fleeting particles. The electromagnet causes the muons to wobble like toy tops, which loses their balance. And for nearly a century, scientists are actually calculating how much muons are supposed to wobble. But in reality, they always wobble a little bit more than they were predicted. This is because the muons are actually pushing past the particles, the other particles which are popping in and out of the vacuum, and each of which actually steals a little bit of energy. Scientists call this gap between expectation and reality the G minus 2, and which is actually the name of the experiment, the G minus 2 experiment. The muon G minus 2 experimenters examine the precision of muons that are subjected to a magnetic field. The main goal is to test the standard model's prediction of this value by measuring the precision rate experimentally to a precision of 0.14 ppm or parts per million. And if there is any inconsistency, then it could indicate that the standard model is incomplete and could need a revision. Fermilab's experiment is the most accurate G-2 measurement yet, and accuracy is everything. As the measurements of G-2 become more and more precise, physicists can narrow down what matter does or does not exist in the universe. The strong evidence that the muons deviate from the standard model calculation might hint at exciting and new physics. Muons act as a window to the subatomic world and could be interacting with yet undiscovered particles and new forces which we are not aware of. This is actually the second experiment which scientists done right now in 2018, but this was actually an experiment which was done again in 2001 in Brookhaven laboratory. Okay, so there they actually calculated something in the G-2 experiment, the deviation from the expectation, and hence the same experiment is done here in Fermilab in 2008. This experiment is actually not complete. There are going to be five experiments in total, because 5 sigma is actually important to validate or to contradict any theory in particle physics, and there is only 4.2 sigma right now. Okay, so there are going to be some more experiments, and after that scientists can finally conclude that if there is a requirement of any new particles is there, or if there is any requirement of new standard model to understand how the new particles can interact, or if there is any new forces available in the nature or not. So this experiment could actually lead us to something which we don't know about our nature and about our universe, that how particles are interacting with each other, and if there is any new particles or new forces which exist in nature which we are not aware of. Hope you find this video informative. Thank you.